Hey lovely angels, welcome back to my channel Sakura Him Beauty.
If you are new to my channel, please subscribe now and press the bell icon as well. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook to check out all the upcoming videos and posts. So without any further ado, let's get started.
Hi friends, so today I will be doing my go-to makeup for any kind of family gathering, friends gathering, party or day look. I hope this could be very easy for you as well to learn. So I've just prepped my skin with my facial oil. Next I will take Maybelline Face Studio primer, which looks like this. It is poreless minimizing primer, so if you have big pores you can use it, but I feel I have a very little pore near this area, so I really want my foundation to set properly. That is why I am using this one today. So I'm just warming on my hand. So after primer, I'm using today L'Oreal Glow Mon Amour highlight, because I know the foundation I'm using today is not dewy one, it is matte foundation, so that's why I'm using this. So after the illuminator, I'm taking foundation, and for foundation I'm taking Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless foundation. So it looks like this, and my shade is 115, which is Ivory. So if you are my shade, then you can totally go with this color. I can tell you that this foundation is not a full coverage foundation, it is a very medium coverage foundation. So if you want to go for a daytime full coverage, you can just build up twice layer of it. For the concealer, I'm taking LA Pro Girl Conceal. Yeah, just make a V and then go back with the foundation brush and try to blend it. Alright, so our base is done. To set my base properly, I am using today Revolution Translucent Baking Powder. So I'm taking here powder brush and just dipping little bit to the powder and just making sure that it's properly blended on my skin. And if you have oily skin, do go with this step. This is a must step for you.
And now I'm using LA Pro Concealer as an eyeshadow base.
Before eyeshadow, I'm filling my eyebrows. I'm using Maybelline Brow Pencil, Brow Precise Pencil, and it is in the shade dark brown. We just comb the eyebrows to smooth out any excess of the product. So for eyeshadow, I'm taking here Technic palette, and this is on the color Venus Rising, and it got lovely beautiful nude color, so basically warm tones. So from this palette, I am taking this color in the center. I will be doing the same step like so, all and back and forth. So now second, I'm taking this very chocolatey, these two colors together. So I'm taking these two colors to build up at the outer V corner of my eyes together, and I'm just patting on the outer corners of my eyelid, of my upper eyelid, and then smoothing it out towards my arch. Now what I'm doing is I'm taking this champagne color from the palette, and I'm just taking my finger on that, because I feel with the finger you get more intensity of the colors, and I'm just patting it on the inner corner of my eyes. Now what I'll do is I'll take a brush and just try to blend everything in. So I'm just trying to blend the color properly, and also in the inner corner of your eyes, just try to blend that color. So I'm going with the light brown color, and just making sure it is in here where it just joins both of the color. It just, there's a transition and there's like a smooth effect is going on. So now what I'm doing is these two brown colors, I'm taking both the colors with an angled eyeshadow brush which looks like this. I'm just going in the lower lash of my eyes. So for eye kohl, I'm using Maybelline Lasting Drama Eye Kohl. It looks like this, and it is very pigmented and it glides so smoothly. And I'm just smudging the kohl I've applied. With the same kohl, I'm going and applying it at the very outer corner of my eyelid so that it can give me that kind of a wing liner effect. Alright, so I applied this. Now I'm taking a very flat angled brush and I'm just smudging whatever I have applied. So next step, what I'm doing is I'm taking here Collection Bronze Glow Mosaic bronzer, and I'm just trying that on my cheeks. For the blush, I'm using Pro Artist blush palette, which looks like this, and it's quite big palette. So I'll go with a mixture of these two colors. After blush, I'm taking Revolution blush palette, and in this palette we have a color like this which can be used as your highlighter. Very light, very silver tone. After highlighting, I'm putting mascara on my eyelashes. So today I'm using L'Oreal Volume Million Lashes Mascara. So next, after mascara, I'm using Revolution Hyaluronic Fix, and this is a setting spray. You can buy it from Superdrug or Amazon.
And patting it nicely with Beauty Blender.
Lipstick I'm using today, NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. Looks like this, and it's in this shade Montreal. So this is the final look, guys. I hope you really enjoyed this quick makeup tutorial. So this is my always go-to makeup look for any daytime party if I'm in a very hurry. So that's all for today, ladies. So till then, take care, bye bye, stay safe, stay home, and enjoy the time with your family, and see you in the next video. Bye, take care.